Hola amigos, yo soy Juan y hoy les voy a enseñar 8 palabras y frases que solo existen en español and a hilarious one we use in my country, so you can start using them yourself in your conversations in Spanish. Yes, we have words for almost everything that exists and some concepts that are just impossible to explain in another language, like our first one. Número 1. Empalagar. This means that something is so sweet that it's actually annoying. Also, you know that kind of people that is always, like giving you compliments or trying to hug you or being too nice? Well, guess what? You can call them empalagosos as well. Perdón. ¿Quieres más? No, gracias. No me quiero empalagar. Hola, Juan. Estás muy guapo. Dame un beso, un abrazo, vamos. Ya, deja. No seas empalagoso. No te voy a prestar más plata. Número 2. Estrenar. Estrenar means to use or wear something for the first time. We Latinos even have a tradition of wearing new clothes on Christmas and New Year's Eve, and we call them los estrenos. Che, te va a encantar este apartamento que tengo en alquiler. Ah, genial. Me dijiste que está nuevo, ¿no? Sí, obvio. A estrenar. Está un poquito sucio por la falta de uso, ¿viste? Pero de resto, impecable. Pasa. Now, you know what else is impeccable? Our essential Spanish chunking kit, full of useful chunks you can use to speak Spanish and impress native speakers. You can download it for free on our website. Just have to click the link in the description. Número 3. Vergüenza ajena. Have you ever witnessed a situation so embarrassing that even if it doesn't have to do anything with you, you feel embarrassed yourself? Well, we Spanish-speaking natives have an expression for it. Vergüenza ajena. It means something like embarrassment for the other person or second-hand embarrassment. And you can use these expressions in sentences like: Cuando vi que el profesor llegó al podio de la conferencia en shorts, me dio mucha vergüenza ajena. Número 4. Quincena. In the Spanish-speaking jobs world, it's very common to have your first pay of the month on the 15th. So that half salary you get every 15 days is called la quincena. Estoy cansado de comer esta porquería. ¿Será que ya pagaron la quincena? No, todavía no. Espera, ya me depositaron. ¿Revisaste tu cuenta? Sí. A mí también. Número 5. Tutear. Remember, we have a formal and informal version of the you pronoun. That's tú and usted. And the use mostly depend on the level of respect or trust you have with your conversation partner. Interesting fact, Germans have an expression for it too. It's duzen. So, tutear is the action of using the informal you pronoun. This means using tú instead of usted. Yo soy Juan. Mucho gusto. Ah, somos tocayos. Yo también me llamo Juan. Usted se llama como yo. Por favor, no me digas usted. Si nos llamamos igual, puedes tutearme. Ok, vamos a ver si estabas prestando atención. ¿Hay alguna otra palabra en la conversación anterior que no entiendas? Are you sure? Ajá, that's right. Número 6. Tocayo. This is a person that has the same name as you, so if your name is Juan, entonces eres mi tocayo. Actually, there is a word in English for it, namesake, but it's not very common and people wouldn't use it in the sense that I just showed you. Do you share your name with any of your family members or friends? Let me know in the comments using the chunk es mi tocayo or es mi tocaya, like this. Mi tío Juan es mi tocayo. I'll make sure to check them out. Number 7 and 8. Trasnochar and madrugar. So, for Latin culture, both work and party are very important. Maybe that's why we invented this word, as trasnocharse means to stay up late, after midnight. And madrugar is the opposite, meaning to get up early, before dawn. Curious, don't you think?
Dale, hola, ¿qué te haces, el nerd? Vámonos de fiesta, amigo.
Pero, ¿cómo piensas en trasnocharte hoy? Si mañana hay que madrugar para el examen. Y como no podía dejar de darles un poco de cultura venezolana, here's a bonus word for you. Picture yourself in a hot summer, jogging at noon for a couple of hours. You get home all sweaty, you take your sneakers off, and boom! Pecueca. That is right. Pecueca is the name we Venezuelans give to that particular smell that comes out of sweaty feet. Así que cuídate de la pecueca y lávate los pies después de llegar a casa. And if you think that's a funny word, just wait until you see the video I've made for you about Spanish slang. Te vas a morir de la risa con ese. Just click the image on the screen and get ready to laugh your butt off.